In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a customer in QuickBooks Online. Let's walk through the process together step by step to ensure you can confidently manage your customer list with ease. To start, you'll need to sign into your QuickBooks Online account. This first step is crucial because access to your specific financial records requires secure login details. Double-check to make sure you've entered your credentials correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard. This will be your central hub for all your accounting needs. From the dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand menu where you'll see several options. Look for and click on Customers. Entering the Customers section is like opening a digital filing cabinet of all your clients, detailing their interaction with your business. Now that you're in the Customers area, find and click on the name of the customer you wish to remove. Clicking on a customer's name will pull up their profile, which acts like a virtual dossier containing all their transaction history and contact information. It's here where you manage their data in your QuickBooks system. Next, within the customer profile, you'll notice a drop-down menu located beside or under an Edit option, depending on your interface. Sometimes, options might seem hard to find, but in this case, the drop-down is your friend, offering several choices like editing or removing customer data. From this menu, select Make Inactive. Choosing Make Inactive is QuickBooks terminology for deleting or archiving the customer from your active list. The moment you select Make Inactive, a confirmation prompt will appear on your screen. It's almost like the system is checking in with you to make sure this is what you really want to do. Confirm by selecting Yes, Make Inactive. This confirmation step is vital, as it provides a pause to reassess that you're not inadvertently removing essential customer data that should be retained. Now, if you find yourself in a situation where you have more than one customer you would like to remove, QuickBooks has a convenient solution for that too. Head back to your customers list. Here, you can select multiple customers at once by checking the boxes next to their names. Once you've selected the customers you wish to make inactive, navigate to the Batch Actions menu. This functionality is incredibly efficient, allowing you to perform actions on multiple entries at once, sparing you from repetitive individual actions. Simply select Make Inactive here as well. And there you have it, a concise walkthrough on how to remove customers from your QuickBooks Online account. This process not only helps in keeping your records organized, but also enhances your ability to access current and necessary customer information quickly. Thank you for watching, and happy bookkeeping!